Hello friends, now we will begin with the second part of our session. Now before going to the hands-on, let us have a short introduction of CATIA software. So CATIA stands for Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. CATIA को Dassault Systems ने डेवलप किया था in the year 1977. So as I have already told in the previous session, CATIA is majorly used in automobile and aircraft industries due to the reason कि CATIA में ऐसे मॉड्यूल्स और टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं जिनसे हम कॉम्प्लेक्स शेप्स को इजीली बना सकते हैं. Again, CATIA is a higher end software. You can design a product, you can have the manufacturing process layout of that product, and you can also perform FEM analysis of the product. For example, if I design a car, I can also model the factory and assembly layout of the car in the CATIA. Also, I can go for the FEM analysis of various parts of my car. So all things under one roof. And as we have seen that in today's competitive scenario, हर एक इंडस्ट्री को कंपटीशन में अहेड रहने के लिए इनोवेशन, रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट पे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फोकस करना पड़ता है. So for this reason, today's industries require engineers which have expertise in CATIA, and this is one of the reason why the job market in CATIA is growing at a very faster rate. Now if we see here, in the world, approximately 1,326 companies in the automotive sector and 793 companies in aviation and aerospace are using CATIA. Apart from this, in computer software domain, so here I would like to explain that in this particular domain, CATIA की popularity बढ़ने का reason है its PLM module, that is the Product Lifecycle Management module. Its name is Innovia. PLM के concepts के बारे में हम आगे के sessions में discuss करेंगे. So Innovia is one of the popular module which is being used by Indian companies today, and it is an integral part of CATIA. Again, in India, approximately 1,655 companies are using CATIA. These are some of the renowned Indian companies which are using CATIA in the world. Again, approximately 12,724 companies are using CATIA. This is a case study of Ashok Leyland. Ashok Leyland, हम जानते हैं, it is the second largest automotive OEM of our country. So the design team of Ashok Leyland needed a tool जिससे कि वो अपने existing products को जल्दी से जल्दी customer needs के accordingly modify करके जल्दी से जल्दी manufacture कर सकें. And in this case, CATIA has helped them a lot. By the use of CATIA software, the productivity, product development time has increased, costs have been reduced. इस short case study को आप YouTube पे भी देख सकते हैं. There is a short video where the engineers of Ashok Leyland have shared their experience of using CATIA. Next is DRDO, that is Defense Research and Development Organization. It is into design and development of military weapons and vehicles. So they are using CATIA and SolidWorks both for developing their designs. This is a job vacancy related to Hindustan Shipyard Limited. ये वैकेंसी अभी रिसेंटली कुछ दिनों पहले पब्लिश हुई थी. इसको बताने का मेरा एम है आपको ये बताना कि हाउ the job market of the CATIA is growing in our country. So Hindustan Shipyard Limited is the first ISO 9001 shipbuilding company in our country under the Ministry of Defense. It is into shipbuilding, ship repairs, submarine construction, and design and construction of offshore and onshore structures. Up till now, हिंदुस्तान शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड ने 191 वेसल्स को डिजाइन किया है. So they have published a job vacancy related to the post of designer mechanical, and here we can see in educational qualification, apart from the degree, they have mentioned certificate course in any of these courses where we can see CATIA has been mentioned, and also in the professional experience they have clear cut mentioned that the candidate should be proficient in the mentioned softwares. So in this manner, we can judge how the CATIA is been growing faster in our country, also in the government sectors. So इसके जो details हैं, you can go to this website of Hindustan Shipyard Limited and check the other details there. Now coming to our case study, in this session we will see the modeling of a propeller using various tools of CATIA. This is one of the good examples where we can see a simple profile and a aerodynamic profile. So coming to the simple profile, it is a simple central hub, and these are the blades which are of aerodynamic shape. So it is a combination of simple and complex features, and propellers are the rotating members जो कि सबमरीन्स और शिप्स में पाए जाते हैं, उनको ड्राइव करने का काम करते हैं, and they transmit the power by converting their rotational motion into the thrust force, and by the virtue of the pressure difference in their upper and lower surfaces, the water which is coming forward in front of the blade is pushed forward. So about the forces we will discuss when we will come to the FEM analysis of the same propeller in the coming sessions.